morning. Welcome to Santha High School of Science Fair. Today we are here to show a small part of science which we will use in a day-to-day life.
Our group name is Jagadish Chandra Bose, myself Pranati,
Myself Nikita.
Myself, Saruna. Our experiment name is acetone reaction. For this experiment, we need beaker, acetone, and styrofoam. About Jagadish Chandra Bose.
Do you know about Jagadish Chandra Bose? Don't worry, my friend will explain you.
Introduce radio and microwave robotics research, studying wireless communication and increasing the development of communication system.
Bose's research on plant physiology also found global application in the field of biophysics and the understanding of plant behavior.
Now my friend will explain about our experiment.
Take a beaker, add 50 ml of acetone. Take a piece of styrofoam, add it. Here we can see acetone reaction. Let us talk about behind science. The acetone formula says to broke the bonds that holding the polystyrene together. And because fluorine is mostly pockets of air, when the bonds are broken, air can escape. The volume of the fluorine decreases. Thank you.